Chapter 2 Blank Book. Josh rushes out into the storm. He races to the bookstore on the corner. What did that woman mean, he wonders. Josh steps inside the second store and brushes the rain from his sleeves. The bookstore is silent. The woman is not here. "Hello?" calls Josh. No one answers. There is no one behind the counter. Maybe the owner is helping another customer, Josh thinks. The bookstore is crammed full of tall shelves and shadowy passages. A dim lamp burns on the old counter. Josh notices a package on the counter. The wrapping paper is torn open. A book lies inside. He sees a small title stamped in gold on the cover. The book rises a few inches into the air. It falls back down onto the counter with a thump. Josh steps back. Then he hears a soft scratching sound. "Who's there?" croaks Josh. His throat is dry. The scratching, crinkling sound grows louder. The brown wrapping paper on the counter is moving. It slowly crushes itself into a ball. Josh stares in horror. Then the paper unfolds itself and lies flat on the counter. On the paper, Josh sees words that weren't there before. "Help me." Stay tuned for Chapter 3.